Very good morning, guys. Today we are going to cover another very important test route for Rochdale. This test route is just over 8.5 miles radius. I will keep guiding you where there are any hot spots where mostly people they fail. So let's start from the car park. I'm coming out from the test center. So bear in mind, when you are coming out from this test center, you need to be very careful. No need to rush. Keep going nice and steady. You are turning right at the end here. Check center in the right mirror. Don't forget to signal right. Bear your car near center white line. Stop on a giveaway line to look right, look left, look right again, and then you proceed. As soon as you proceed, there will be a roundabout right in front of you. So when you're coming on this roundabout, you need to be very careful because you can't see anybody coming right hand side. So they can be very fast. So you can fail your test there and then here otherwise. So as I can see, there are a few cars coming. I'm gonna let them go first and then I proceed myself.
Cross the roundabout.
I'll keep my navigation voice on as well, just for your reference sake.
Second exit. Then turn left.
So we are turning left at the lights.
After 100 yards, turn left. Turn left.
If you are going without navigation, examiner may tell you to follow the sign for Halifax or Todmorden. He can say follow the sign for A58 as well sometimes. So we're on Moss Bridge Road, turning left towards Morrison. Bear in mind, if you are going this side, most probably examiner may say go into the Morrison car park. So he may try to do bay parking inside the Morrison. So you have a chance, then go inside the Morrison and do bay parking, practice forward and reverse. If you don't know how to, I have already uploaded one video, so you can watch in my content other videos. When you're coming at this point, keep your car right hand lane because left lane will just go into that superstore. So keep your car right hand lane here. So don't forget to check your side mirror when you're changing lane here. We are on a Kingsway, which is 30 miles per hour at the moment. This road will split into two. Bear your car left hand lane. Check center in the left mirror. Come back to the left hand lane. Bear in mind, when two lane going straight, you will keep always left hand lane unless if you are not turning left or right. If you are turning right, for example, then you need to keep your car right hand lane because you're turning right. But if you're going straight, and two lane going straight, you will keep your car left hand lane. Traffic light is red. I will ease off my gas. I will let my car roll. So that's known as the eco driving. I can see few car park on my side, so I will check center in the right mirror. Nobody on my side. I will overtake these parked cars by signaling. If you see there are car coming on your right hand side and you have no chance to move over, so better to stop behind. So keep going straight until we see a big roundabout. When you see so many parked cars on your left hand side, keep your car meter away. in case if they open the door, so you can save them. We are on Wright streets. Be very careful because this is 30 miles and you're going down the hill. You have a chance to overspeed here. So be very careful. Keep good eye on your speedometer as well and on the road as well. Wright Street is 30 miles, so you need to be very careful here when you're going down the hill. So I can see 2 lanes going straight, so I will keep my car left hand lane unless navigation or examiner may order me to go right on the roundabout.
After 400 yards, go right on the roundabout, second exit.
Now I
Then
come to know that we
ahead.
are going right, so
Keep
what I will
right.
do, I will keep my car right hand lane, I will check center the right mirror, I will move over to the right hand lane well in time because we are taking 4th exit. So about
Go
200
right on
yards
the
here, I will
roundabout,
signal right.
second exit. Then ahead. Keep right.
Nobody coming on my right hand side, keep right hand side, count your exits, 1, 2 and 3. Bear in mind navigation is mentioning you 4th exit, but there are only 3 exits here. 4th is U-turn. We are on a Halifax road at the moment.
After 400 yards, keep right.
And this Halifax road is 40 miles per hour. We are falling through traffic, so keep your car right hand lane at this point. Don't forget to keep your car right hand lane, otherwise you will stuck in left hand
Keep
lane.
right.
If you are without navigation, you are following sign for Halifax. This is a roundabout, you need to slow down here, drop to second gear and proceed nicely. No signal needed when you're coming down because it's just a mini roundabout. And at this point Halifax Road is 30 miles. It was 40 before the roundabout, bear in mind. So you need to remember the variation of the speed. So far nice and straightforward test route.
After 300 yards, turn left.
So we are turning left at the lights. Checking send on the left mirror, indicator left after this junction.
Turn left.
Come nice and steady here. It's not very wide road, so you need to be nice and easy. There's a school patrol sign here, so you need to be careful here anyway. Keep good eye on children if they are walking on a road. We are on a Birch Road at the moment, which is 30 miles per hour. Again, park car on my left hand side. I will keep my car meter away from the parked cars in case if they open the door. As you have seen early on, one lady was opening her door. this bit is 20 miles per hour, so you need to be 20 before you hit 20 sign. And if you miss that sign, don't forget these speed coming mayors, which means you cannot drive fast here. And keep going 20 unless you see the change. So I can see change nearly 100 yards from here. So beyond this point is 30 miles. We can start speeding up from here, no issue. So this is 30 miles per hour. We are still on a Birch Road, so don't forget to keep your car 20 miles on that where the school zone is. And after the school zone, don't carry on 20 miles. This is 30 again. You will be penalized if you keep driving 20.
After 300 yards, turn left.
So we are turning left at the roundabout here.
Turn left.
So check center on the left mirror. Signal left. Priority to the right. I can see one blue car coming, so I'm gonna stop for him. I will let him go and then I proceed. This is the place where possibly examiner can tell you to pull up behind any vehicle just to check your angle start. So we're gonna check center on the left mirror. Don't stop in front of any driveway. Better to stop, avoid these parkings and stop nicely. Neutral handbrake, and then you need to cancel the indicator and then off the pedals. This test route is about 8.5 miles radius. We have done so far 4.5 miles, so only 4 more miles to go. So we're gonna proceed again. So there are a few cars trying to overtake me, so I will not do anything. So whenever I need to move off, I need to check all my blind spots. Check from 3/4 panel on your left hand side and right hand side over the shoulder indicator, and move off when nobody coming. Strictly don't indicate if somebody coming behind. In case if somebody coming behind and you just give an indication to move off and they stop for you, so sometimes few examiner can penalize you. They say you force him to stop. So better to signal when nobody coming. Road, which is 30 miles at the moment. See, road is down the hill again, and this is 30 miles per hour. There is a chance for you to go over speed. You need to have a very good eye on your speed. Don't try to overspeed here. Soon we're gonna go right.
After 300 yards, turn right.
So we are turning right as we are following sign for Bury. So that's a roundabout again. So check center in the right mirror, signal right, and priority to the right. Come nice and slow here. No need to rush. Because of this pub, you can't see any traffic. So better to be nice and steady here. And this is 40 miles, so we need to foot down here. Try to catch up the speed because we need to come back to the left hand lane soon. checking
yards,
center in the left
go
mirror.
left on the
I can see bus
roundabout,
in my center
first
mirror, so I'm
exit,
alright to
then turn
move on to the
right.
left hand lane. Because we are turning left, so you need to get in your lane here, very important. If you don't understand, rewind the video
Go
and
left on the
watch again.
roundabout, first exit,
So big
then
roundabout, you
turn
need
right.
to look right. It's very easy to do big roundabout because bigger roundabouts are easy, you got so much time. So bear your car right hand lane, don't forget to keep right
After
hand lane here
200 yards, turn right, then take the second right.
and then right into this
Turn
filter lane.
right, then
Better to
take
get
the
into
second
this
right.
filter lane very well in time. If you're not coming into this filter lane very well in time, driver behind will come before you and you will stuck. So you can just go forward until here. Don't go more than that white line in the middle. After this we are alright to turn. And be careful, this is 20 miles on now. If you miss any sign, you are coming into any residential state, keep your car nice and steady. And if you see there are speed humps or something, so just keep driving like 17, 18 miles, no problem, no issue. Road is not that nice, so I am driving like 13, 14 miles. So
After
you're gonna
80
drive like
yards,
according to the status
turn
of the road.
right.
So we are on a Roach Street at the moment and turning right
Turn
onto
right.
Cook Street. You need to be very careful. Go a little bit wider towards left hand side before you turn here, because both side park cars can give you trouble if somebody coming other side. You need to be nice and steady here. Too many park cars on your left hand side, anybody can open the door. Keep your car meter away from park cars. Nice
At
and
the end of
steady,
the
no
road,
rush.
turn left, then take the second left.
At the end of the road we are turning left, and that is 30 mile zone, 20
Turn
zone
left,
ends.
then take the second left.
So we are back on Halifax Road, lads, and we're gonna go second left.
After 200 yards, turn left, then
So you
cross
need
the
to be very
roundabout.
careful while given indication here, because he is just turning before the turning. So you need to signal when you are coming at this
Turn
point
left,
where the 20
then
sign is
cross the
written.
roundabout.
Don't signal before, otherwise you can be penalized by misleading other road users. So nice and steady here, nothing difficulty on this particular test route apart from only speed variations.
After 100 yards, cross the roundabout, second exit.
And few very easy roundabouts. These all roundabouts are not that difficult. Just keep your car right hand lane.
Cross the
It's a
roundabout,
very open junction.
second
I can
exit.
see clearly nobody coming. So just bear right. You don't need indication here. Technically, you are following the road ahead. So keep going nice and steady. Keep it 20 because the speed coming my ears. No need to rush. Follow the road ahead again here. Absolutely fine, nice and steady, no rush.
After 200 yards, turn left.
If you are on this particular Untitled road, the thing is navigation will show you 30 miles, but bear in mind this is 20. Don't watch speed on navigation. So we are turning left at the
Turn
lights,
left.
checking center on the left mirror, indicator left after this keep clear sign. My traffic filter line is clear, so I am alright to carry on. Just to have a look on right hand side in case. So I'm gonna check the side mirror because road is going to be narrowing here. Soon we will turn left and right. We are on
After
Mollisworth Road at the
300
moment.
yards, turn
Mollisworth
left,
Street, my apology.
then turn right.
And if you are without navigation, examiner may say follow the sign for A640 or Huddersfield. So I am already in my
Turn
left hand
left,
lane.
then turn right.
Traffic light is green. If you are already in your lane, if you don't signal, no problem. We are on a Millennial Road again.
After 200 yards, turn right.
So we are turning right after this bridge. So what we're gonna do is checking center in the right mirror,
Turn
indicator
right.
right, and I'm coming into this filter lane after these red chevrons. I will hold well before this lorry. So you need to be very careful when you're cutting path here for oncoming traffic. Nobody coming, so I'm alright to turn. Bear in mind while turning right here, if you make oncoming traffic slow, you can fail your test. So you need to be very careful.
After 200 yards, turn left.
So we are turning left here. So checking center
Turn
in the left
left.
mirror. Indicator left. Keep your car meter away from the curb. And turn nice and steady. When you are coming on this particular Dodson Street, my apology, most probably examiner may say pull up on the right, reverse 2 cars and rejoin the road. So don't forget to do practice here when you're coming here. So pull up on the right, reverse 2 cars and
At the
rejoin
end
the
of the
road.
road, turn
If you
left.
don't know how to do that, I have already covered. I uploaded one video, so go in my content and watch that video. Signal left.
Turn left.
So we are again in 20-mile zone. Oncoming traffic got the priority here. So I can see white car coming. So what I will do, I will stop just before this giveaway. I will let him go, make sure no one else is coming, so I am alright to proceed. So we are going back towards test center now. I'm gonna keep about meter away from all these parked cars, although I can see one car coming other side. I will not go closer to these parked cars. I will stop here. I will wait for the reaction for the van as well. I will see what van driver gonna say to me. So no one else is coming, so I'm gonna keep my car meter away from these parked cars and I will overtake them. So you need to be very careful at this point. Don't fail your test while coming back to the test center. I have already covered these areas in my other videos, in which I have advised all my pupils, be very careful when you are coming out and when you're going back to the test center. Because it's not easy for you to come back to the Rochdale test center and coming out from the test center. So test center is on our left hand side. We're going to go left into the test center. Don't forget to check mirrors in center left. indicator. No need to go fast. This is 10 miles per hour. So keep going nice and steady. How you can come back to the test center, guys. If I miss anything, you can leave me a question. I will answer your question. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much. And if you want me to cover any other particular subject, so you can leave me feedback. I will try my best to cover. Thank you very much for watching.